Since the beginning of time, mankind has been plagued by a terrible problem. Ancient remedies were primitive and not effective. The problem continues to trouble modern man. Fortunately, help is here. It's SnoreFIX. SnoreFIX is an over-the-counter throat spray that decreases the sound of snoring. It has vitamins, natural oils, and herbal extracts. A great minty taste, and it's safe to use every night. SnoreFIX. Modern relief for a very old problem. No animals or husbands were harmed in the making of this commercial. Visit us at SnoreFIXspray.com. That's SnoreFIXspray.com.